Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, April 24th. Starting with the NASDAQ market, we can find buyers coming back into that market, a step in the right direction, and we have some challenges just ahead that'll be important that we close beyond in the next 2 days. I am looking for unchanged to higher in the stock indices and in these currencies. In the euro, this market did get weaker. The difference here between the bullish level and the bearish level here is 114 ticks. Each tick is $12.50. If you trade the microcurrencies, it would be 1/10 of that value. And again, I'm not suggesting by any means that someone would get this type of return, but to give you a feel for what it means and what it refers to. But what do we look for today? We're looking for unchanged to lower, not a dramatic move down in the currencies. In the Swissy, by the way, the difference here between this bullish level and this bearish level for that market is 136 ticks. Again, just to give you a feel for that reference. Now, let's move on though, and let's take a look at the interest rate markets. There we see the rally as the stock indices were getting weaker, and we see the break as the stock indices got stronger. And I'm looking for continued weakness in the Treasury notes. Those are 10-year Treasury notes that you're looking at. I'm also looking for buyers to continue to come back into the gold market. In the energy market, looking for a sideways market, but let's get over to the energy market. A bit of buying coming in, but nothing dramatic. We are looking for an unchanged type market. That's really what we have here. And I'm looking for unchanged to slightly higher. I can see a shadow on the highs for today's action. If we look at the grain markets, there in soybeans, I'm looking for a sideways market. This is behaving, I think, is exactly as it should. With the news information that we have right now. There's too many question marks out there, and a sideways move is a logical place for that market right now. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.